Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this holly berry fruit and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, this is one of the Christmas plants, guys. And before I show you how this holly berry tree looks like, I'm going to show you how you can get this holly berry seed. If you want to get the seed, you need to have the Santa's surprise present, and you can buy it from the Christmas shop. Okay, Santa's surprise present right here, guys. You can buy it, or you can join the Christmas harvest event. You can submit your Christmas mutated plans, and you will have chance or possibility to get the Santa's surprise present. Okay, and I'm going to go to my garden and show you the holly berry tree. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the holly berry, guys. And you will have 2.5% chance to get the holly berry seed from the Santa surprise present. Wait, sorry, I forgot to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you the chance. Okay, this is the holly berry seed, and I'm going to check the base value of this fruit. Okay, the fruit is small, guys, and if I'm not mistaken, it's one of the mythical plants. Okay, this one, this is the holly berry. It's like the poison apple, right? Poison apple from the Halloween update. And I'm going to check the base value. I'm going to check how much this is worth. Okay, and the value is around 13k shekels. Yeah, not that OP, I guess. But yeah, you can keep it in your garden to add more plants to your collection. Okay guys, and that's all about this holly berry fruit and grow a garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.